Dear friends, did you know that after 60, eating eggs the wrong way could quietly harm your health? Eggs are a nutrient-packed gem, but many seniors pair them with foods that block benefits or cause issues. As we age, our bodies need extra love to stay vibrant. I'm thrilled to share this vital wisdom on senior care today. We'll uncover 3 egg mistakes that could sap your energy, digestion, or heart health. Simple tweaks can make eggs your ally. Let's dive in and nourish your body right. Let's start with pairing eggs with calcium-rich foods like milk, yogurt, or cheese. It feels like a wholesome meal, doesn't it? But here's the truth. Eggs are rich in iron, which fights anemia, a common issue after 60. Calcium and iron compete in your gut, and calcium can block up to 60% of iron absorption. Dairy's casein protein binds iron, making it unusable. Instead, pair eggs with vitamin C foods like orange juice, tomatoes, or peppers to boost iron uptake threefold. Love dairy? Wait 2 hours. Try an omelet with spinach. What's your egg dish? Share below. This iron-calcium clash is critical because, as we age, digestion slows, and iron keeps us energized. My aunt used to mix eggs with milk daily, then felt sluggish. Switching to eggs with tomatoes gave her a spark. If you drink milk with your scramble, try water or juice. A 2-hour gap lets nutrients shine. Picture a colorful breakfast with eggs and bell peppers. Your body will love it. Low iron can cause fatigue or weak focus. Have you felt tired after eggs? Let us know in the comments. To make this practical, let's plan a meal. Instead of cheese in your omelet, add diced tomatoes and a sprinkle of parsley. Vitamin C in tomatoes helps iron flow into your blood. For dairy lovers, enjoy yogurt as a mid-morning snack. This small shift ensures your body gets iron to fight tiredness. I've seen friends feel stronger after making this change. Eggs are affordable and versatile, so let's use them wisely. What's one egg tweak you'll try? Share with our senior care community. Next, let's explore pairing eggs with high-fiber foods like oatmeal, whole grain toast, or leafy greens. Fiber is great, but too much with eggs can block vitamins A, D, and E, which protect bones and immunity. Insoluble fiber in bran or raw greens traps nutrients, rushing them through your gut. For seniors with delicate digestion, this means missing vital nutrition. Pair eggs with lightly cooked veggies like sautéed zucchini instead. Save heavy fiber for lunch. Do you eat eggs with greens? Tell us. Timing fiber is key because we need it for gut health, but not all at once. My friend ate eggs with a grainy salad, thinking it was ideal, but felt bloated. Splitting meals eggs with spinach at breakfast. Salad later helped her thrive. Try eggs with steamed broccoli to keep fiber gentle. Oatmeal makes a great afternoon snack. This lets egg nutrients soak in fully. After 60, digestion needs this care. How do you balance fiber in meals? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's dig deeper into why fiber matters. Insoluble fiber speeds digestion, which can be too fast for seniors, reducing nutrient uptake. Eggs' fat-soluble vitamins need time to absorb. Cooking veggies softens fiber, making them egg-friendly. A small portion of sautéed carrots with eggs boosts eye health without blocking nutrients. Save raw salads or bran muffins for later. These tweaks keep your meals balanced and nourishing. What veggie do you love with eggs? Share below. The third mistake is drinking tea or coffee with eggs. That morning brew feels comforting, but it can steal egg benefits. Tannins in tea and coffee bind iron and zinc, forming clumps your body can't use. Caffeine speeds digestion, cutting nutrient time, and may cause bloating. After 60, these losses matter. Wait an hour after eggs for coffee, or try herbal teas like chamomile. Pair eggs with citrus juice for iron uptake. Do you sip coffee with breakfast? Share your routine. This coffee issue hit me personally. I loved coffee with eggs but felt uneasy after. Delaying coffee and adding orange juice made me feel lighter. Tannins are in black and green teas too, so they're sneaky. Herbal teas like peppermint won't block nutrients and aid digestion. Picture eggs with water and berries so fresh. This small change boosts energy and comfort. Caffeine can also raise stomach acid, which some seniors feel more. What's your morning drink? Tell our community. Let's make this actionable. If coffee's your ritual, enjoy it mid-morning with a light snack like fruit. With eggs, try a glass of water or grapefruit juice. Vitamin C works magic with iron. Studies show tannins can cut iron absorption by 50%, so timing matters. Herbal teas are a cozy alternative, and some, like fennel, soothe stomachs. These steps ensure eggs fuel you fully. After 60, little changes add up to big health wins. What drink will you pair with eggs? Share below. Now, let's talk cooking eggs for maximum benefit. Boiled or poached eggs are gentle on aging stomachs. Medium heat keeps protein soft, unlike high heat frying. Scramble with olive oil to boost vitamin absorption. Avoid raw egg. Salmonella risks rise with age. One egg daily is safe for most, but check with your doctor if you have heart issues. Organic eggs offer more omega-3 south. Store them on the fridge's middle shelf. Pair with carrots for eye health. How do you cook eggs? Let us know. Cooking eggs right is key because digestion gets pickier with age. My neighbor fried eggs daily until stomach woes hit. Poaching with herbs changed her life. Low-heat scrambling keeps eggs nutrient-rich. ADD turmeric for anti-inflammatory power or parsley for vitamins. Fully cooked eggs yolk and white set are safest. Boil eggs for a quick snack. Free-range eggs have richer nutrients, worth the cost. Gentle cooking preserves B12 for energy. What egg prep will you try? Share with us. Let's explore why cooking methods matter. High heat can overcook egg proteins, making them tough on digestion. Medium heat keeps them tender. Poaching avoids extra oil, perfect for sensitive stomachs. Studies show boiling retains B12 and folate, vital for brain health. Add a dash of olive oil when scrambling. It helps absorb vitamins A and D. These small choices make eggs easier to digest and more nourishing. What's your favorite egg cooking trick? Drop it in the comments. Eggs fight muscle loss after 60, a big deal for staying active. Sarcopenia weakens strength, but eggs complete protein rebuilds muscles. My uncle, 72, eats eggs daily and lifts groceries easier now. Don't fear cholesterol. Research shows eggs don't spike it much for most people. They offer choline for brain health. Pair with avocado for heart-healthy fats or turmeric for inflammation relief. Eat eggs early for best digestion. How do eggs keep you strong? Share your story. Muscle health is huge because it supports independence. Eggs' amino acids are like bricks for muscle repair. A friend stayed mobile longer with daily eggs. Pair with spinach for antioxidants. Cholesterol concerns. Most seniors handle eggs fine, but ask your doctor if you have high LDL. Avocado with eggs boosts vitamin uptake and adds potassium for blood pressure. Sprinkle chives for flavor. A food journal can spot bloating. Do you worry about cholesterol? Let's chat below. Let's talk timing. Morning or early afternoon eggs align with strong digestion. Protein keeps you full, reducing snacking. I switched from dinner eggs to breakfast and felt more satisfied. Hydration aids digestion. Sip water all day, but not too much during meals, as it dilutes stomach acids. Thirst fades with age, so drink regularly. Eggs with tomatoes or berries make a vibrant meal. Early eggs also stabilize blood sugar. When do you eat eggs? Share with Senior Care. Hydration deserves more attention. Water helps break down egg proteins, but seniors often forget to drink enough. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses daily, spaced out. A glass with breakfast eggs is great, but avoid chugging during meals. Dehydration slows digestion, reducing nutrient uptake. My mom started carrying a water bottle and felt more energized. Pair eggs with hydrating foods like cucumber slices for a nutrient boost. How do you stay hydrated? Tell us in the comments. Get creative with eggs. Poached eggs over sautéed greens are gentle and delicious. Omelets with mushrooms, peppers, or spinach pack nutrition. Poaching keeps yolks soft and safe. Avocado toast with a boiled egg is heart-healthy. Avocado's potassium aids blood pressure. ADD turmeric for inflammation or dill for vitamins. Listen to your body. Some feel bloated with certain pairings. A food journal helps. What egg recipe excites you? Share with our Senior Care family. Let's try a fun egg idea. Make a veggie scramble with zucchini, tomatoes, and a pinch of basil. It's light, flavorful, and nutrient-rich. Cooking veggies softens fiber, making them egg-friendly. Studies show carotenoids in tomatoes absorb better with egg fats, boosting eye health. This meal feels like a warm hug for your body. Or try a boiled egg with sliced cucumber for a quick snack. These dishes keep eggs versatile. What's your next egg meal? Drop it below. Eggs fit beautifully in a balanced diet. My mom paired eggs with berries instead of toast and gained energy. Avoid raw eggs for safety and cook gently to preserve nutrients. Veggies like pumpkin boost eye health with eggs fats. Herbs like parsley add vitamins. Skip dairy, heavy fiber, or caffeine with eggs to maximize benefits. These tweaks ensure every bite nourishes you. After 60, thoughtful eating is self-care. How will you enjoy eggs? Share your plans. Let's talk variety. Eggs aren't just for breakfast. A midday egg salad with cucumber and dill is light and protein-packed. Use Greek yogurt instead of mayo for a calcium-free twist. Studies show eggs protein curbs hunger, aiding weight management. Add a side of steamed carrots for color and nutrients. This keeps meals exciting and healthy. Rotate egg dishes to avoid boredom. Scrambled one day, boiled the next. What egg dish will you try? Tell our community. Healthy eating after 60 is about small, sustainable steps. Eggs are affordable and nutrient-dense, perfect for seniors. Start with one change, like swapping coffee for juice with eggs. Gradual shifts last longer than drastic diets. I've seen friends glow with these tips. Keep eggs fresh, pair wisely, and cook gently. Your body deserves this love. What's one egg habit you'll tweak? Share it in the comments to inspire our senior care family. Let's reflect on why this matters. After 60, nutrition fuels energy, strength, and joy. Eggs, when paired right, support muscles, brain, and immunity. My neighbor, 68, started these changes and walks farther now. Avoiding dairy, fiber overload, or caffeine with eggs is a gift to yourself. Try one tip this week, maybe eggs with peppers instead of cheese. Small wins build big health. What health goal are you chasing? Drop it below and let's cheer each other on. In closing, thank you for joining me on Senior Care. We've explored 3 egg mistakes: sparing with dairy, high fiber, or caffeine, and how to make eggs a health hero. These tweaks boost energy and strength for vibrant aging. Please like, share, and subscribe to Senior Care for more tips to thrive after 60. Comment your age and where you're watching from. I love our community. Try an egg tip this week and share how it feels. See you in the next video. Dear friends,